This is Eastside Lancaster, and we're doing some off-road 360 gaming. Wait for it to warm up. It needs to warm up. Start it again. Wait, hold on. Yeah. There we go. I don't know, it might be long gas.
You want me to do it?
Go, we'll take turns doing it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do it right now?
Do it right now, motherfucker. Oh shit!
Oh dear!
Oh shit!
Wait, hold on. Oh shit, I put it in neutral.
Fuck,
Dude,
fuck.
what happened?
Dude, it shot out. Look at that! Look at that!
Shit.
Look at that!
Hey, let me see the video.
Hold on, we're still recording, fool.
Alright, hold on. Throw this in there.
Put that shit on top. Oh my god, dude.
Push me.
Fuck, here. Take the video. It's still recording. Here.
Hold on, let me put it out here.
Oh, come on, dude. Alright, we're almost 2 minutes in.
Should I do it on that?
No, I'm gonna do it,
Alright,
nigga.
go.
Here, take that shit. It's still recording.
Dude, look at that shit. Look at the 360. There we go. Dude, I got that shit good. Hey, wait, fool, you're gonna hit me. You missed it! Fuck!